Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your current web browser. Type in the URL address bar, www.google.com/chrome. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the Chrome page loads, look for the Download Chrome button. Click on the Download Chrome button. A pop-up window will appear with the terms of service. Review the terms and click on the Accept and Install button. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. This file is usually found in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation. A user account control prompt may appear. If it does, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. The installation process will begin. Wait for a few moments as Chrome installs on your system. Once the installation is complete, you may see a window prompting you to start Chrome. You can choose to open Chrome immediately by clicking Finish. The Google Chrome browser will now launch. To make Chrome easily accessible, you may want to pin it to your taskbar. Right-click on the Chrome icon in the taskbar. Select Pin to Taskbar from the context menu. You're now ready to use Google Chrome on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.